Hello and thanks for stopping by to watch my video. Want to know how I make these beautiful crunchy snacks? Then make sure you watch till the end. So let's get to work. So the first thing, these are my ingredients. I have my rice flour, my corn flour, my sugar and salt. These are the basic simple ingredients for this crunchy snack. So this is to show you how I measure my salt. This is about half teaspoon of salt. All right, let's prepare our sugar and salt solution. So I'm going to go ahead now and pour in my sugar and my salt together. I'm going to make a syrup out of it. There's this special flavor that comes out from mixing your salt and sugar together, like a milky flavor. So that is what I'm going to do right now. Then I'll pour in water. So I'm going to take this to the heater now. I'm going to heat it up till it forms syrup. I'm going to do that off camera. So this is what we have. So the whole idea is just to heat up the sugar and salt solution. You can see that the color is a bit like brown, like a bit like a caramel color, just to give it the flavor and the color. So that is just what we need. So let's begin making our kokoro. So this is my corn flour. I pour in my corn flour and my rice flour. Pour in my rice flour, then mix it together. This recipe is a simple recipe and I'm using another method to make the kokoro. Thank you so much for watching till this time. Consider subscribing. So like I said before, this is a new method of making the kokoro. So you go ahead and add the liquid solution, that the salt sugar solution, and begin to mix until it forms like a dough. So you will need to add a little bit of water. So just make sure that you add the water little by little till you get what you want. So if you want to know how I make my rice flour and my corn flour, so just check out the description section, and the full recipe will also be in the description section. Oh my god, so after mixing I observed that it was too crumbly and it couldn't give me that softness that I desire to roll into corn sticks. So this is what I did. I actually wanted to try a new method of making the kokoro that was explained to me by somebody, but it's not really working out. So I decided to go by the normal method. So I made it into a starch. So all you have to do is just to add a little quantity of water into your pot and mix it till it forms a starch. So you can see that it is soft. So after then you add more rice flour. This dough is still hot, so if you can stand it, use your hand, and if you can't, you can always use a pestle or a turning stick or wherever to mix it up. So we're going to mix it up till it forms a soft dough, just like this. Now this is our dough, and the next thing now is to begin rolling. So while making this dough, I added a little quantity of oil into my water. Then I gelatinized, like I made it into a starch. Now let's begin rolling. This is my rice flour. I'm going to use that as my lubricant. Then I'll just begin to roll. Let's go. Our sticks is forming already. So you can roll it into any size of sticks that you want. You can check my previous videos on how I make my corn sticks for more amazing recipes. If rolling into sticks wants to seem difficult, all you have to do is just to lubricate your hand with a little bit of oil. And just take this and roll into balls also. You can also roll into balls, so whichever way is convenient for you, you can go ahead and make your corn and rice flour snack. So my corn balls and my corn sticks are ready to be fried. I actually made more of the corn balls because I was bored. So I made more of the corn balls than the corn sticks, and I'm so eager to find out how it comes out because I've taken this type of snack before in Badagry, Nigeria. So my oil is hot already, so I'll be frying under a very low heat. I'll just pour in my sticks. Ordinarily I ought to use a frying pan, but because I'll be frying the balls too in deep oil, I'll be doing deep frying for the balls, so I'm going to use my deep pot to fry the sticks also. The corn balls are frying already. Wow, I was surprised at the amazing results this brought. This is crunchy and delicious, plus the corn sticks, it is dry, crunchy and delicious with just 2 ingredients, the sugar and the salt. This is amazing. So I want you to try out this recipe and click on anywhere on this video to check out my other amazing videos on how I make my corn sticks. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Just allow these corn balls to completely cool and enjoy the crunchiness and the sweetness. Bye bye.